If you know anyone that snores but denies it, you're gonna want to send them this video. So apparently I snore a lot, and these nasal strips are supposed to help improve my breathing through the night. I don't snore as much. And whether you've got a big nose or a small nose, they've got you covered. There's literally a measuring thing on the back to check nose size. They're supposed to improve airflow by up to 85%, and they're currently down from £5 to around £3-ish at the moment. I don't know how long this offer is gonna last. If you want to get some for yourself, make sure to click down below to get yours.